Hi guys, good afternoon. For today, I'll be unboxing a USB microphone condenser. Binili ko siya sa Lazada last July 15. So, I bought this kasi nakita ko mura siya. It's around 1,150. Kasama na yung shipping. And I'm actually using the BM800 for a while, and the hassle with BM800 is kailangan ko pang gumamit ng phantom power papuntang PC kasi kapag yung BM800 lang mahina lang siya. So that's it. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. Ayan. As you can see, we have a instruction manual na may English, may Chinese version na hindi naman natin madalas binabasa, tinatapon lang. And then we have a what do you call it? Yung clip ng microphone there. Nice. Yan, higpit siya. And this comes with the package also. Meron siyang mic stand. Well, you can actually use this kung nagpa-podcast ka, and then hindi mo kailangan ng microphone arm. It's nice, cute. Let's put that aside. So, meron siyang windscreen, yung foam niya, and the USB. So, yung USB niya guys, hindi katulad nung sa BM800 microphone na 3-prong. Iba siya. Yung XLR. Ito, it's a USB type B, I think, this one. And ito, the usual USB na sinasaksak natin sa PC. Ito, mostly nakikita to sa printer and other stuff na gumagamit ng USB type B. And then next is the color. Yan, yung BM880 mic ng XTUGA. So yeah, there you go. Dito sinasaksak yung USB type B. Build quality, mabigat siya, maganda. I don't know kung makita natin loob, pero yeah, it's nice. Nice build. The good thing about this mic is kung may lagay yung kumanta, you have an echo already. An echo. And then you have also the volume. Meron ko ng volume sa PC, meron ko rin volume dito sa mic. So ma-adjust mo siya parehas. And then eto mismo, you have a headset jack or headphone jack. Magagamit mo kung ayaw mo kung kulang yung wires mo, or yung mga PC na hindi nagre-recognize hindi na nare-recognize yung jack nila. You can use this. So itatry natin to in a bit, but build quality, I like it. Tigas siya, mabigat. And then that's it. I'll just set this up and then I'll get back to you guys. So yun guys, right now itong XTUGA BM880 is nakaplug na sa PC ko. Ang settings ko is actually it's just a plug and play feature na device. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-adjust. Now na-check ko siya, yung volume niya sobrang malakas yung pickup, lalo na kapag try ko i-full volume, pero mga siguro mga 12 inches away ako from the mic. Yan. Minsan kung narinig nyo, parang merong pang manok na tumitila ako din sa background ko. So that's it. Now I will try to add some echo. Try natin echo. Hello. Yan is half nung echo if we will put it on full volume. Yan, echo na echo siya. So balik natin sa walang echo. Yan. One thing that I noticed is I don't know if sa akin lang ito, pero I'm actually using a JBL headset. Meron ako naririnig na noise sa background, yung parang hissing, hindi naman siya hissing sound, pero parang grainy noise, parang sa TV yung pag wala kayong channel, tapos yun lang siya. So yun, narinig ko siya kapag naka full yung volume. Otherwise, kung di naman kayo maselan, pwede to, or malinis naman siya. Hindi ako magsasalita, pero makikita nyo dito sa Audacity na gamit ko. Ito, yan. Itong line na ito, supposedly, yung line na hindi ako nagsasalita, supposedly ito, diretsong line lang to. So, meaning, nag-create siya ng noise. Kung mag-re-record kayo ng kanta, medyo hassle yun kasi nga, meron siyang bagay na unwanted noise. Yun yung problema doon. So now, what I'm thinking here is, kung sakasakali naman bumili kayo ng, I don't know kung mafi-filter pa to, pero most likely hindi na siya mawawala. Dala nung yung noise na yun is very important sa mga nagre-record. For streaming purposes siguro maganda ito. So I think my final thoughts on this XTUGA BM880 is yeah, for streaming okay siya, but I would not recommend it sa mga gustong mag-record ng kanta. Unlike BM800 na gamit ko, wala akong naririnig na noise, grainy noise, which is helpful kapag gusto mo mag-record. Yun nga lang, kailangan gumamit ng phantom power. Ako, gumagamit ako ng phantom power, and then I need to use a sound card USB para lang ma-record ko siya. I mean, yung output yung input ng mic ko from BM800 is ma-detect ng PC ko, and then yung output ng headset is from my PC. Kumbaga separated siya, unlike this one, all-in-one na siya. Yeah, that would be one of the advantage. All-in-one na siya. Meron na siyang input ng headset, meron na siyang volume at the same time, and one thing nga pala, muntikan ko na makalimutan. If you're using my headphone jack dun sa BM880 XTUGA, you can already hear your voice. Automatically marinig mo yung boses mo. Pag dinagdagan mo yung echo, marinig mo na siya right away. For me, that's a plus sign kasi para hindi ka curious kung ano ba talaga yung boses mo kapag nagsasalita ka, or pag nag-dub ka, or kapag nag-i-stream ka, which is an advantage for me. Yeah. Pero yun nga. So I think that's it, guys. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng XTUGA BM880, you can buy it at Lazada. Salamat Lazada. And then for any comments or suggestions, or kung meron kayong mga experience tungkol dito sa BM880 nito, please kindly put it on the comment section, and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.